of the word stand. The word stand, 8 meter thick. The top of the stand is located 4 meters below the short side of the lake. The saturated unit weight of sand is 26 kilonewton per meter cube, and of clay 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Determine the following. The total vertical pressure of the mid-height of the clay layer. Tagay ito, a clay layer 4 meters thick rests beneath the deposit of submerged sand. Nalay mabatayanan, may mga beneath, overlay. Pero, idea na lang, kasi yung tamuna ng minusan, kailangan ibang minusan. There is a problem that is, ang clay is 4 meters, and the sand is 8 meters. Ganyan pa ang clay. Ito medyo sulit-sulit na ganito. Four meters, 8 meters, 4 meters. This is the water, okay? This is the sand layer, and this is the clay layer. And there is a problem. The saturated unit weight of the sand is 26. So, gamma sand, the sand is 26 kilonewton per cubic meter. And the clay is 20. Gamma sand the clay 20 kilonewton per cubic meter. And then, determine the following, the total vertical pressure at the mid-height of the clay layer. What's the mid-height? Ito nga rin 4, nadali. Ito kasi point A. Point A, at point A, wala ito baon. Pila effective pressure. Based sa mga living point kami, so same sa concept na point mechanics. Kung na sa pinag-ibabaw. Okay, total pressure. Total pressure. Okay, that's 9.81 times 4. Sunod, sand. Ayaw kalimot na total pa rin, so saturated. 26 times 8. Sunod, clay. Saturated ako, hindi ko tanong eh. 20 times 2 equals 28 when 20 kilonewton per square meter or PPA. Pressure naman eh. PPA na rin. Kilonewton per square meter or PPA. Next, for water pressure. Again, okay na daw. Pero na natutulog na kay same unit na. Pangalay ka rin yung mga. Mga na rin, then 21 na unit with tubig, plus 4 plus 8 plus 2. Diba? Diba? Tubig. Kumbaga, di ko tubig, solid na lang nabilin. Effective, katas na effective. Kila?
137.84.
Kila to?
137.84.
PPA yan po nila. Karon, effective, pressure effective is now equal to total na 287.24 minus 137.84. And that is equal to
149.9.
149.58.
9.
This is the answer. Or letter A.